Number 3. ASUS ROG Flow Z13, the ultimate Windows gaming tablet that offers unmatched versatility and power in a sleek and compact package. With active stylus support and an attachable keyboard, the Z13 allows you to seamlessly switch between gaming, work, and creativity without missing a beat. The Z13 is powered by an Intel Core i9-13 Gen processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050, ensuring class-defying performance even on the go. Multitasking is a breeze with 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 1 TB of PCIe 4 SSD storage. One of the standout features of the Z13 is its Nebula display, which boasts a QHD 165Hz panel with 100% DCI-P3 color gamut and Pantone validation for stunning visuals in any task. The display's 500 nits brightness ensures a vibrant and immersive viewing experience. To keep the powerful components of the Z13 running cool, ASUS has integrated liquid metal on the CPU and a custom vapor chamber module for efficient cooling. This allows you to push the device to its limits without worrying about overheating. While the ASUS ROG Flow Z13 delivers exceptional performance and versatility, the only downside is the steep price tag. However, the investment is well worth it for gamers and power users who demand the best in performance and flexibility. For the ultimate Windows gaming tablet that combines power, versatility, and premium features, look no further than the ASUS ROG Flow Z13. Check it out today and experience gaming on the go like never before.